Hello everyone. Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. I'm so excited to have you here. Join me as we explore creative craft ideas, stunning decor tips, and inspiration to transform your space into something truly special. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Let's get started and make your home beautiful together. Today, we're diving into the world of small kitchen decor, a space that often feels limited but holds incredible potential for style and functionality. Small kitchens can be challenging to decorate, but with the right ideas, you can transform even the tiniest spaces into cozy, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing areas. The key is to maximize every inch without feeling cluttered. We'll explore clever storage solutions, color schemes, decorative accents, and layout tips that will make your small kitchen feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. Whether you're renting or owning, these ideas are versatile and affordable, suited for any budget. Remember, small spaces require intentional design choices, so every piece should serve a purpose. From open shelving to multifunctional furniture, we'll cover everything to help you craft a beautiful and practical kitchen. Choosing the right color palette can dramatically influence the perception of space in a small kitchen. Light, neutral tones like whites, creams, soft grays, and pastels reflect more light, making the area feel more open and airy. Dark colors tend to make spaces feel smaller, so if you love bold hues, consider using them as accents rather than dominant shades. Incorporate pops of color through accessories like dish towels, rugs, or decorative jars to add personality without overwhelming the space. Lighting is equally crucial. A well-lit kitchen feels larger and more inviting. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Pendant lights over the countertop or island can add style and brightness, while under-cabinet lighting illuminates workspaces. Maximizing storage is essential in small kitchens. Vertical space is often underutilized, so install tall cabinets or open shelves reaching up to the ceiling. Use hooks, racks, and magnetic strips to keep utensils, pots, and pans within easy reach without cluttering countertops. Consider installing pull-out drawers or baskets inside cabinets to organize items efficiently. Over-the-door organizers can hold spices, cleaning supplies, or small kitchen tools, freeing up valuable cabinet space. Multi-functional furniture pieces like fold-down tables or rolling carts serve dual purposes, providing prep space and storage simultaneously. Clear containers and labeled jars help you see what's inside, reducing clutter and making it easy to find ingredients. Lazy Susans and corner carousel units optimize tricky corner cabinet. Adding decorative accents is what transforms a functional kitchen into a cozy, stylish space. Personal touches like vintage jars, colorful dish towels, and unique cookware add character and charm. Incorporate small plants or herbs in cute pots to bring life and freshness to your kitchen. Open shelving is perfect for displaying beautiful dishes, glasses, or decorative items, making them part of your decor. Consider a themed backsplash, be it patterned tiles, peel and stick wallpaper, or colorful paint, to add visual interest. Use artwork or framed prints that reflect your personality. Think culinary quotes, botanical prints, or vintage posters. Decorative lighting fixtures, such as pendant lights or a statement chandelier, can elevate the space instantly. Adding decorative accents is what transforms a functional kitchen into a cozy, stylish space. Personal touches like vintage jars, colorful dish towels, and unique cookware add character and charm. Incorporate small plants or herbs in cute pots to bring life and freshness to your kitchen. Open shelving is perfect for displaying beautiful dishes, glasses, or decorative items, making them part of your decor. Consider a themed backsplash, be it patterned tiles, peel and stick wallpaper, or colorful paint, to add visual interest. Use artwork or framed prints that reflect your personality. Think culinary quotes, botanical prints, or vintage posters. Decorative lighting fixtures, such as pendant lights or a statement chandelier, can elevate the space instantly. Keeping a small kitchen looking beautiful and organized requires regular maintenance and mindful habits. Start by decluttering frequently. Remove items you no longer use or need. Use storage solutions that keep everything in its place, so surfaces stay clear and tidy. Wipe down counters daily to prevent buildup and keep the space looking fresh. Invest in quality storage containers to keep pantry items organized and visually appealing. Establish a cleaning routine that includes wiping cabinets, appliances, and surfaces to maintain a pristine look. Rotate decorative accents seasonally to keep the decor fresh and exciting. We wrap up our small kitchen decor guide. Remember that the key to a beautiful small space is balance, combining functionality with style. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas until you find what works best for your space and personality. Use color, light, and decor accents to reflect your unique taste and make the space feel warm and inviting. Keep your workspace organized and clutter-free to maximize the sense of openness. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub for more inspiring content. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to bring you more creative ideas. See you in the next video.